para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo.
You are still tuning in dito sa ating Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Season 3, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Coming to you live here inside the Divine Light Academy here in Las Piñas City para sa ating last set of the day. Tapos na yung unang dalawa, ang makabagong San Juan Mighty Warriors kontra sa Valenzuela Classic Junior at our first set. Second set naman sinundan naman ng Palawan Urich Builders at ng San Pedro Spartans. At para naman sa ating pangatlo at panghuling set, Muntinlupa JKLV RGG Infinite Basketball laban sa Batangas Tribu X Boss I. Good evening sa inyong lahat mga kaliga. Charles Bechong here, Justin Almeda and Quinn Barcarce at courtside. And Justin, I'm still not over doon sa ating previous game that went into double overtime.
Well, if it's any consolation, at least it was a very entertaining ball game with Batangas pulling a victory over Muntinlupa.
And at least it's over. Tama? Well, it was a nail-biter of a game. Pero ito, punta naman tayo sa kanilang medyo mga kuya. Sa 16 and under division naman tayo. Still Muntinlupa kontra Batangas. Unahin muna natin ang Muntinlupa JKLVRGG Infinite Basketball. They won over Mindoro Troops Hoops 82-47. Yung playoff hopes nila still well within reach.
Well, thanks to those 2 straight victories that Muntinlupa has actually gotten, they keep that playoff berth alive. And one thing that they do really well is what they did well with those 2 wins is they controlled the boards. They out-rebounded Mindoro 59-29, which translated to offensive execution and controlling the tempo. Will this be the reason for them to advance to the playoffs? We'll see.
That was a convincing win indeed para dito sa Muntinlupa. On the flip side, ang kanilang makakalaban, Batangas Tribu X Boss Ay, ito naman natalo kontra Antipolo JY Titans. It was just 10 points, 60-70.
Antipolo, of course, being the #1 team in the South Division. And for Batangas naman, they are slumping. They started with 2 straight wins, came from 2 straight losses. But what's good about this team is they have a variety of guys who can put numbers on the board. Double digits, 5 players yan. So they just have to be a bit more physical on the defensive end and try to keep that playoff berth alive.
We'll see more of that in just a short while. Meantime, bigay muna natin kay Gio Cruz.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Divine Light Academy here in Las Piñas City. This is Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Season 3, ang Liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. 16 other division between Muntinlupa Infinite Basketball and Batangas Tribu X Boss Ay. Now let us meet the starters for both teams, beginning with the Muntinlupa JKLV RGG Infinite Basketball. Starting point guard number 19, Matthew Aceldo. Shooting guard number 0, Vince Avellano. Small forward number 5, Everrain Cruz. Power forward number 16, Freedom Okafor. And at center number 9, Paulio Elicot. The head coach is RJ Cabagnot, assisted by A.L. Landrito. Team manager, Abi Dizon, and team owner, Jarwin Avellano. And now let us meet the starters for Batangas Tribu X Boss Ay. Starting guard number 9, Dylan Liga. Also at guard number 10, Justin Correa. At forward number 5, Biggs Desrosa. At center number 22, Charles Paduyag. And also at forward number 7, Johan Nukum. The head coach is Erwin Apilo, assisted by Michael Gonzalez and Glante Castro. Team owner, Boss Ivan Nukum. Officiating this ball game, Ryan Soriano, Nino Barcenas, and Nino Perez. Junior MPBL Executive Director, Mr. J.R. Navarro. Junior MPBL Commissioner, Mr. Kit Picasso.
Doride Bola ng Pinoy, the official ball of the Junior MPBL team. Starters para sa ating Batangas Tribu X Boss ay Dylan Linga, Justin Correa, Mix Destreta, Johan Nocum, and Charles Manuyag. Para naman sa Muntinlupa JKLV RGG Infinite Basketball, Matthew Aceldo, Vince Avellano, Ever Cruz, Freedom Okafor, and Paolo Elicot. Once again, this is the 16 and under division, second to the last game of the day. But before anything else, we are happy to announce that we are going global. Junior MPBL goes global. Pupunta po tayo sa Dubai coming soon for our Middle East leg. Magkakaroon po tayo ng 10, 12, 14, 16, and 18 under division. So pakakabangan po ang mga impormasyon patungkol dun po sa ating Middle East leg, Dubai leg. Can you believe it, Justin? Junior MPBL goes global.
It's a great opportunity for us, no? Na we are branching out. And ito, to start this ball game, ganda nung palitan ng baskets.
Meantime, Matthew Aceldo. Kita mo naman, ito na Justin, no? Yung first 2 games natin, pares 14 and under division. Ito 16 and under, medyo umangat na ng di hamak, pero makikita mo na yung difference doon sa 14 and under tapos dito sa 16.
Mas refined na yung mga skills, no? Kakasimula pa lang, but the decision making, of course, we're gonna see na it will go up a notch, the level of play.
6-2 is the score. Cruz. Atapikan ni Linga. Ends up in the hands of Cruz. And he converts.
Points from Muntinlupa, 4 apiece coming from Aceldo and Cruz.
Pero ito, kita mo naman. Basket and 1 para dito kay Johan Nocom. See this again. This play is brought you by Pound for Pound Fitness. Foul counted play of the quarter.
No one other than Stephen Johan Nocom, leading scorer for Batangas, averaging 14.8 points.
Ito, Matthew Aceldo, natawagan ng traveling violation. Balik ang bola dito sa Batangas. Ball's in the hands of Dylan Linga. Correa. Destresa will miss. Nocom keeps it alive. Drives left. Spins. Destresa, the fake. The fade won't make go. Agaw dito si Vince Avellano.
Ball will go off the foot of Avellano. Balik ang bola sa Batangas.
8-5. 3 minutes gone by here in the first period. Couple of turnovers early here in this ball game for these two teams.
They started out with they were trading baskets, but getting a bit careless here.
Eto si Cruz, 6 points na.
Actually 6 straight para kay Cruz.
Everrain Cruz. How about this one? Heiko Almendral off the feed. Galing dito sa kanyang guardia, pero ito naman Matthew Aceldo, hindi papasok yung layup niya na yon. Destresa. Almendral will miss.
Quick insertion, no? Off the bench. Itong si Heiko Almendral.
Ito yung mga isa pa sa mga hindi pa ganun nako-correct. Yung mga sundot-sundot, those gambles, those reach-ins dito sa mga batang to.
Trying to go for that home run play right away. More often than not, does not result into good things. We saw rin na nakakuha ng personal foul.
Destresa, Nocom. Binigay sana kay Andre Batang, kaso di gumana. Cruz can't go 8 straight. 5 and 10 remaining. Destreza. Now Nocom. Drives baseline, goes reverse.
I believe that's his 5th point. Sinocom getting it from inside once again.
Destreza sasablay. Okafor with the board. Cruz. He will miss. 3-on-1 situation.
And itong Muntinlupa, I was able to talk to Coach RJ Cabagnot about their sudden two-game win streak. Ano bang nagbago from their 4 straight losses into the 2-game win streak nga na meron sila ngayon? And they focused on the defensive adjustments. That was their, sa practices nila, yun talaga yung pinag-uusapan nila. But they did have, he said na back to 0 sila ngayon, as in the previous, in this week, they didn't even have a single practice. So, titingnan nila how they're gonna perform today.
There's only one way to find out, Justin. Only one way to find out. Under 4 minutes remaining. (11 to 10). Lamang ng isa dito ang Batangas. Freedom Okafor. Gets fouled! How about that from Freedom?
Speaking of Freedom, Okafor, talking about his last game against Mindoro, they did win by 35 points.
That is our pound-for-pound fitness foul counted play of the quarter. Justin, you were talking about something?
Okafor in his last game, 27 points, 28 rebounds,
Wow.
5 assists, and 8 steals. Samahan mo pa ng 2 blocks.
Monster numbers from Freedom Okafor. He gets another board. Cruz in transition. Goes right, goes left. 8-point para dito kay Ever Cruz. This time, Matthew Oseldo is ahead of the pack. And Matthew Oseldo converts.
It's number 6 para kay Oseldo.
Touch passing. Di nga lang papasok. One more try. Sablay pa din. And the next one goes in. That's Heiko Almendral.
Almendral relentless on the boards. And after 2 attempts, getting his 4th point.
Cruz puts it up from distance, short. Offensive rebound. This is Eduardo Racines.
Ed Racines, also a deadly player. Pesky defender with 4 steals in his last game. Also efficient from the free throw line, going 4 out of 4.
Ooh, here's the spin. Nocom. Oh my goodness. A sweet move from the big guy.
Despite his size, you like his agility, no? Na pinapakita niya.
And the skill set that he has, no? Pero ito, Max Dacaba. (18-15). Binitbitan naman. Si Lansaya, Latayan. Freedom Okafor. Lakaba gets fouled. Hindi niya nausog doon si Nocom.
Power dribble sa kanya, di man lang gumalaw eh.
Kung yung bangga ng ganon, Justin, hindi siya nausog, paano pa kaya kung si Johan naman yung bumangga? I would not want to be on the receiving end of that.
Pag ganun, pwede na lang. Utakan mo na lang.
Iwas ka na lang, no? Iwas ka na lang.
Sacrifice your body. Maybe you can get an offensive foul. Paggising mo nga lang bukas, baka ikaw naman yung problemado.
Here's Nocum once again. Pinigay sa ilalim. That one is in. Aiko Almendral na naman.
The versatility in his game. This time dishing it to a teammate.
Tadea now Nocum against a much smaller defender. Ano akala nyo? Close range lang? Meron din akong mid-range, sabi ni Johan Nocum. Almendral with a steal. Aiko, huli yan kay Freedom Okafor. There is no freedom underneath when when Okafor is in front of you. Pagtapos itong laro na to, meron pa tayong isa, Justin.
Mga kuya naman. 18 and under.
18 and under division. They go Tadea. 4-second differential between shot clock and game clock. 22 seconds on the game clock, 18 on the shot clock.
So far, both teams finding some success in the paint. They're both tied at 18 apiece.
They go Tadea. 14 on the shot clock. Pinapahirapan dito. Freedom Okafor takes it away. And there's a foul. And Batangas is in the penalty. First one is in para dito ay Freedom Okafor. 37 minutes of playing time. 14, 14, 2. 14 points, 14 rebounds, and 2 assists. May agaw pa siya dito. Freedom Okafor be beaten. Freedom Okafor! At nakuha na ng Muntinlupa ang kalamangan dito sa ating pagtatapos ng unang yugto. Tignan natin ang ating Chef's Magic first quarter highlights.
For that first quarter, it was both teams doing damage, and a duo for Muntinlupa. It was Aceldo with the first 4 points of the ball game, and then Everrain Cruz coming up with 8 of his own. And for Batangas naman, it has been itong si Johan Nocum, who has put up a lot of points for them, as well as Almendral with 9 and 8 apiece.
23-21 at the end of one. Muntinlupa by 2.
And you're still watching the Junior Maharlika Pilipinas Basketball League live here at Las Piñas. Ako medyo malamig nga dito, kaya naaalala ko yung favorite kong halo-halo. A classic Filipino dessert that is composed of different ingredients. So meron niyang leche flan, may ice cream, may ube, may kamote pa. Ang random, diba? But all together, they make up a tasty and iconic food. And for the players of Batangas and Muntinlupa, this might just be the perfect metaphor. Most of them play for their respective varsity teams. Iba't iba ang nakasanayang sistema, style ng laro at skills na dinedevelop. Kaya minsan, kapag nagsama-sama na sa training for Junior Maharlika Pilipinas, Pilipinas, naku, medyo nagkakaroon ng kalituhan. Pero gaya nga ng sabi ni Coach Peter ng Batangas, ang importante ay yung pag-a-adjust. Since bihira silang makapag-training as a full team, he works with what he has, even if it's not perfect. Ang mahalaga, sumusunod ang players kung saan sila kinakailangan. With a dash of patience, a spoonful of leadership, and a full cup of trust in his players, Coach Peter is blending it all together to make something special like a halo-halo. Back to you, Charles and Justin.
Wow! Thank you so much, Quinn. Halo-halo. Diba? Pag nagre-report si Quinn, para akong nanonood ng vlog eh. Okay, para akong nakikinig sa commercial or parang nagpa-podcast, no? But again, crazy metaphor that you have given us, no? Parang halo-halo, iba-iba man ang sangkap, iba-iba man ang rekado. Pag pinaghalo-halo, na tamang timpla. Para pwede mo nga namang ihalin tulad yan sa team, no? Hindi pwedeng lahat sago. Hindi pwedeng lahat yelo. Hindi pwedeng lahat asukal. Diba, may tamang mix na, may tamang timpla. Okay talaga to si Cutie Barcarcel.
Ganda rin talaga ng, like, same as how you feel. When she starts reporting, I feel like, you just want to watch and listen and take a break.
Oh, parang ayoko na mag-play-by-play. Si Quinn na lang yung pakinggan natin. Meantime, traveling violation is gonna be called on Nocom. (23-23). Almost 2 minutes gone by here in the second period. Power dribble, power move by Lacaba.
This time, ito naman si Lacaba. Parang medyo nausog niya rin si Nok.
Bumawi, no? Bumawi. Kanina, hindi niya nausog eh.
Putting a little extra oomph.
Ayun yung mga bangga na maririnig mo. Oh, pero ito. What a move, a strong drive from Dylan Linga. Pound for pound fitness, foul counted move of the quarter. Courtesy of Dylan Linga. Thank you so much, Justin Almeda, sa yung power bank and charger.
Able to convert there. Medyo na iba yung tema ng second quarter natin. First quarter, very high scoring. Dito naman, slowing down a bit.
But that young man is showing no signs of slowing down. Salvacion. Kita mo yung iwas, yung sidestep, tapos yung scoop layup. Agaw dito, Muntinlupa. Ibarra. That one is in.
With the assist to Ed Racines.
Oops, almost. Tadea, the gather, and he gets fouled.
Coach RJ Cabagnot, when I was speaking to him earlier, he's very general in his answers na binigay niya sa akin. We really focused on defense, didn't really want to say what exactly. Unting panggulat factor.
6:48. Great fake and the basket para dito kay Charles Manuyag. Cutting the lead down to just 1 point. Making something out of nothing. Initially, kumbaga, tapon na yung bola na yun. Nawala na sa kanila eh. Nagawan pa ng paraan ito ni Charles Manuyag.
Charles Manuyag, previous game nila against Antipolo, 7 points.
Five on the shot clock. Off the window is in. The Sotalbo rather, the Dylan Linga. Salvacion sasablay. Racines pipilitin. Can't get it to go. Five and 30 remaining. The crossover by Linga. Naagawan sila dito. Racines traveling violation.
That was Estoya after the steal.
Oh,
Yeah,
I correct myself. I stand corrected.
they actually do. There's a resemblance between the two. Same build.
No, Liam Estoya. Here's Dylan Linga. Great give and go action, Dylan Linga.
But the precision on that pass, saktong-sakto for that back door.
And Liam Estoya steps out of bounds. Babalik ang bola dito sa Batangas. Tribu X Boss I. 4:40 remaining.
Batangas being a little bit more disruptive on that full court press. Been finding a lot of success there. Quick points have been scored by Batangas.
Linga. And there's a foul, I believe, on Kirby Tabilangon. Five-point game. Linga being guarded by Kirby. 8 on the shot clock. And they turn the ball over. Masyadong masikip yung pasa. Matulis din. Agad namang umamin si Dylan Linga. Sabi niya, akin bro. Salvacion, masyadong malalim. Linga picks it up. Dylan, Fuleres team. Dylan Linga lilipad. No. And the tip-in is good. Para dito ay destresa.
You like the fight ni Linga doon, no? Challenging Okafor.
Ayun nga lang, Charles Manuyag. Second guessed himself. Papasa niya sana yun, but decided na siya na daw ang magbababa. Natawagan siya ng dribbling violation. 36-29. 2:56 remaining here in quarter number 2. Timeout. Etong Muntinlupa. And 56 remaining here in the first half. 36-29 etong Batangas Tribu X Boss I. Ganda ng pinapakita. Siyempre, anda dyan si Boss I. Iba talaga sa pakiramdam yun. No? Nanonood yung team owner or For example, naglalaro ko sa school, nanonood yung sponsor or the higher ups. At dito, yung team owner nanonood. Dagdag moral boost din yun.
Always want to perform in front of the people that matter. Bring your A game.
Oh, Marquez having trouble here. Buti lang, nakitawid nila yung bola. Here's Marquez once again. Fading away. No, Okafor could not tap it to himself. Nocom their leading scorer. Natapikan. Marquez picks it up. Destreza counter steal. Migs. Now to Manuyag. Against two defenders. Destreza. No call there. Matthew Aceldo tinanggal yung inner shirt. Inner t-shirt. May mga ganun talaga, Justin. Yung mga pahiyang na tinatawag.
Ano ba siya kanina?
Black? Dry fit shirt siya kanina eh. Sabay tinanggal. Yung iba, di ba, nagpapalit ng sapatos. Or yeah, ganun nga. Tinatanggal yung inner shirt. Ginawa mo na ba yun? Nagpalit ng sapatos mid-game.
Oo eh, because I bought a new shoe. I tried it out during the game. Didn't like how it felt because I like shoes that are low to the ground. Kobe's, ganyan. So, nagpalit ako ng halftime.
Meantime, Vasquez kicks it out. Matthew Aceldo can't get it to go. Nocom up ahead. Binigay dun sa kanyang kakampi in Benzon Sotalbo. How do you like that? No, your big rim running.
Also, not just rim running, pero showing us na he can, he has that handles.
That's why they are in the lead. 37 seconds remaining here in the first half. And we have another timeout. This time it's Batangas. Tribu X Boss I. 38-29 is the score. 35.2 seconds remaining. From tip-off to the final buzzer, every moment counts, and so does every meal. Whether you're celebrating a win or just enjoying the game, Chef's Magic Condiments brings the flavor that makes every bite unforgettable. Chef's Magic, make every meal a magic moment. Kita nyo naman, kahit coaching staff, pwedeng magkaroon ng magic moment. Hindi na ako magugulat kung yung ating referee ay mabibigyan bigla ng Chef's Magic Condiments goodie bag.
Still have a lot of goods available here. Chef's Magic natin.
Sana magkaroon din kayo ng inyong mga magic moments. Meantime, there's a foul.
Quite a slow quarter, no? Para sa Muntinlupa. Only scoring 6 points now.
As opposed to 17 para dito sa Batangas. They definitely have slowed down. Mag-overtime din kaya itong laro na to, Justin.
Let's not speak it into existence.
I'm not. I'm just wondering.
Well, if this game, ends up like the way it's going, in favor of Batangas, they have been very disruptive on the defensive end, pressuring the ball handlers. And, it may not go into overtime.
10 seconds remaining. Drive, and there's a foul. Matthew Aceldo. Very creative. Downhill. Always downhill itong si Matthew Aceldo. And he's so good at drawing those fouls. 7 seconds remaining. Freedom Okafor. There go Vasquez. Freedom puts it up. That one is short, and that concludes the first 10 minutes of action dito sa ating 8th game of the day. Batangas Tribu X Boss Ay outscoring etong Muntinlupa. Surf's Magic second quarter highlights. Tignan natin, Justin.
For Muntinlupa, this may be a quarter to forget. Only scoring 6 points here in the second as they had 23 in the first. And di nila nakita in action itong si Everrain Cruz with all the 8 points in the first quarter. Pero it has been Nocom leading the way for Batangas.
40-29. An 11-point lead para dito sa Batangas Tribu X Boss Ay basketball team. Magbabalik po ang Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL.
We're still here at the Junior Maharlika Pilipinas Basketball League. I'm with Assistant Coach Glenn De Castro of Batangas. Coach, after 1 month, tagal nyo pong di nagpakita, pero ngayon, lamang kayo sa first half. Paano nyo mapapanatilin sa susunod pang quarters?
Pinaghandaan talaga namin ang game na to. More on defense. Talagang inensayo namin yung defense namin. Alam namin malakas din ang kalaban. So itutuloy lang namin yung defense namin, pressure sa kalaban, at ma-maintain yung field goal na percentage namin.
And good luck sa inyo, Coach. Pero kung may gusto po kayong pasalamatan, sponsors, friends, it's time.
Pinapasalamatan po pala namin ang aming boss, Boss Ay, ang Tribo, Doc Alan Lanson, Paring Jong. Maraming salamat sa pagsuporta sa amin. At lahat po na nakasuporta sa Team Batangas, Tribo, Boss Ay. Marami pong salamat.
Thank you so much, Coach Glenn. Magbabalik po ang Junior MPBL after this break.
40-29 is the score at the end of the first 20 minutes of action. Batangas Tribu X Boss I with an 11-point lead at the end of 2. Freedom Okafor trying to barrel his way through into this ball game, pero yung pasahan at yung chemistry ng Batangas Tribu X Boss I ang nananaig so far here in this ball game. Let's take a look at the numbers at the end of 2. Tignan natin yun, Justin.
As you see here, Batangas leading by 11 points because, you know, they do get more attempts and made more baskets. 35 attempts for Batangas and 26 lang para sa Muntinlupa because they did control the rebounding department. 21-13. Tapos, a lot of points from turnovers as well from Batangas, 20-12. Because they lead that category in steals. They have 3 more. Batangas has 3 more compared to Muntinlupa.
And so far, yung outside shooting nitong dalawang teams natin hindi pa gumagana, especially para dito sa Muntinlupa. Pero surprising, no, na 11-point lead ang meron itong Batangas despite not taking a single attempt from beyond the arc. And now it's time for our fan of the game. We've spotted someone in the crowd who's been cheering non-stop, full of energy, and bringing all the good vibes here in this game. You know what they say, the coolest fan deserves the coolest iced tea. Congratulations to our fan of the game. You're getting a refreshing treat from True Tea Iced Tea, a no sugar added iced tea. Stay cool with True Tea Iced Tea, the goodness of iced tea without the sugar. And my partner here is a living testimony of how good etong True Tea Iced Tea is. Tama ba, Justin?
Yes, sir. Still trying to find where I can get this True Tea Iced Tea. Saan yung supermarket ko kaya mabibili ito?
Ay, tanong natin mamaya sa ating
maybe after
ating boss Ma'am Chi, boss Miss Chi. Meantime, Evercruz. Ito, kumamada to noong first quarter, scoring 8 points. Pero hindi na nadagdagan yun noong second quarter.
You were also wondering why it is an 11-point lead na wala pa yung 3-point shooting, di ba? If you look at the rebound department, 21 yung rebounds ng Batangas, 12 of them coming from the offensive end.
Pero ito naman, Stephen Nocum with 13 points to his name. He is the leading scorer of this ball game, the only player in double digits. There's no stopping this young man, no? Stephen Nocum.
Showing us na he can work in the paint, pero a while ago pinakitaan ka pa ng soft touch.
In transition are the red shirts, pero nahinto nga lang yun. Dylan Linga inside. Nothing you can do. Stephen Nocum scores his 15th point.
Good start here for the big man entering the second half.
Pero kahit ganon, Justin, no, okay na rin na ginawa ni Freedom Okafor na hindi na siya sumabay.
Oo. Maganda na yung pwesto ni Nocum eh. Kumbaga, too late na eh. So might as well just give it up instead of giving up an end one.
Evercruz, the leading scorer for Muntinlupa with 8. Can't make that 11. And Johan Nocum grabbing his 4th rebound. See this again. Pasa ni Dylan Linga. Freedom Okafor, wala nang ginawa doon. Wala na rin naman talaga magagawa kasi.
Pag binangga ka ni Nocum, lilipad ka rin naman.
I'm sure even grown men.
Oo.
Diba? Mauusog at mauusog nito ni Stephen Nocum. Paano pa kaya yung kasing edad niya?
Nakita mo kasi yung frame niya, kakaiba.
Freedom Okafor, niliparan itong Batangas. Masyadong malakas yung Pectus.
Ito mo yung sidestep niya, covering so much ground, and just the defender in front of him biglang nawala sa nawala sa picture.
Dylan Linga, ball on a string. Bigay sana kay Charles Manugay. Manuyag rather. So bumitin itong si Paolo Elicot. Dylan Linga all the way. Short on the layup. Naku! Freedom Okafor loses control of the leather.
Not the usual numbers para kay Freedom Okafor. Only 2 rebounds and 6 points.
Dylan Linga susubok sa labas. Their first attempt and their first make.
Another slow start here for Muntinlupa dito sa third quarter. Still scoreless with already 4.5 gone by.
Oops. Andre Bathan napatid. Isipin mo yun, Justin. Oh. Pagkatas nitong quarter na to, isa na lang. Tapos last game na tayo. Tapos uuwi na tayo. Diba? Meantime, ito yung tres ni Dylan Linga.
Finally, first point of the quarter.
If you can control the lead without making a single basket from beyond the arc, how much more if you can convert from beyond the arc, diba? That time, pinakita na sa atin, ito ni Dylan Linga, hindi lang kami pang dos, ha?
Yeah, they are controlling the boards, talking about Batangas, and that's giving them extra possessions, extra attempts, and that's why.
Stephen Nocom. Paano mo babantayan yun? Pag dinikitan mo, aararuhin ka. Pag nilayaan mo, titirahan ka naman.
At this point, he's just toying with his defenders.
And a timeout has been called by Coach RJ Cabagnot. They trail by 19, 49-30 with under 5 minutes remaining here in the third. From tip-off to the final buzzer, every moment counts, and so does every meal. Whether you're celebrating a win or just enjoying the game, Chef's Magic Condiments brings the flavor that makes every bite unforgettable. Chef's Magic, make every meal a magic moment. Speaking of magic moments, etong Muntinlupa kailangan ng magic moment dito sa laro na to, kagaya ng ginawa nila kanina nung 14 and under division, nag-double overtime. Naku, sumobra naman yung tira nito ni Andre Bathan. On the other end, Stephen Nocom sumablay. Tao pa rin pala si Stephen Nocom.
One of the rare misses from Stephen Nocom. Talking about the magic, no? It was just in the first quarter na merong magical moment itong Muntinlupa. So second and third, they have really been struggling. Hindi pa nga umabot ng double digits if you combine the scoring for those two quarters.
Well, if you look at the stats, Ever Cruz siya pa din yung leading scorer nitong Muntinlupa. Siya yung gumawa ng first quarter.
Oo.
8 out of those 23 points galing kay Ever Cruz. Hindi niya nasundan nung second and so far ngayong third wala pa rin siyang naipupuntos. So kanina pa yun ito yung leading scorer nila. They have to figure out kung sino naman yung next guy. Eto. Charles Manuyag. Pound for pound fitness, foul counted, play of the quarter.
Speaking of that next guy, no, who's gonna score for them, they are missing the services of their highest scorer. Itong si Rowie Caballero, who is out for some school commitments.
After everything, no, student athletes din naman kasi talaga. Oops, traveling violation is gonna be called on Andre Batan. Back-to-back turnovers. 52-34. So medyo namamagana yung kalamangan ng Batangas kontra Muntinlupa.
Hindi nadaan sa ganda ng galaw yung sidestep ni Andre Batan.
Freedom Okafor hanging and finishing. Can't make it. Pero to si Ever Cruz, siya pa din ang gumagawa ng paraan para dito sa Muntinlupa. Basket and one. Off the miss, offensive rebound, the stick back was the foul.
Maybe that's what Muntinlupa needs to get to bring this lead a bit closer. Halos dalawang quarter rin na nahimik itong si Everrain Cruz.
He's got 10. Can't make it 11. Freedom Okafor, offensive rebound. They needed that one, especially from Freedom.
That's what he does best. Offensive rebounding, putting the ball right back in the hole.
Two minutes and 25 seconds remaining here in the third. Bego Noko, ilapit ng bahagya, kinaliwa.
Agad rin nakabawi itong si Johan Nocum. Missed 2 straight attempts.
Kasali ka ba nun sa inaaral naming theory? Ni Jaime, ni Coach Anton.
Alin ba ito
yung pag ikaw yung nakascore, ikaw din yung fa-foul dun sa kabila. Sino nakascore dito? It was Noko. Right? Yung foul dito sa kabila. It was Noko.
Dahil
palaisipan pa din yan sa ating lahat kung bakit pag nakascore ka, parang mataas yung chance na ikaw rin yung matatawagan ng foul sa depensa.
Dahil ba yun sa ganado ka after a basket? So, overly aggressive?
Yung medyo conclusion namin nun. Pero again, it needs to be studied.
Ako yung napapansin ko yung, kunwari, may nakascore. Tapos, hindi mo nakita. For some reason, baka nagsusulat ka or something. Para malaman mo kung sino yung nag-score, yung bilis ng takbo, pabalik. Yung takbong mayaman ba?
Takbong pogi. Ginagaya nga ni Philip.
Pwede rin.
Meantime, Justin Naag from Muntinlupa. Two free throws converted. Less than 2 minutes remaining here in quarter number 3. Oops. There's a foul away from the leather. The crossover, the drive, the layup just can't finish. Etong si Benzon Sotalbo. On the other side, there's a foul. Ed Racines. Medyo matagal-tagal ding nanlamig itong si Edrasines.
One of those players na delikado rin once he gets a full head of
court.
steam.
A minute and 23. So far, halos dikit naman yung ating stats. But again, yung 3-point shooting itong Muntinlupa, they have not converted from beyond the arc. Bathan gets denied by Stephen Nocum. Di lang pala pang opensa itong si Nocum.
Merong loob, may labas, may depensa, may pasa din.
Siya rin ang nakatapik. Caparas, bumalik sa kanya yung bola. Ibigay kay Nocum.
Pinagpag lang eh.
Justin Naag getting called for a foul. 47 seconds remaining. Naku, masyado malakas yung pasa. Sinuntok yung ball.
Good try. Ay, wala na rin pupuntahan.
But if you're Batangas, somehow meron kang room for mistakes. You're sitting at a very comfortable lead. Eto, nakapasok na. Finally, Andre Bathan making it up for those 2 turnovers. Unang 3-pointer din yan ng Muntinlupa. Diego Caparas. Cross-court pass. Ganda ng iwan ng layup. May kasama pang foul. David Tadea. One of the very few times na gumana yung cross-court pass. Tingnan natin ulit ito. Pound for pound fitness. Foul counted play of the quarter. David Tadea.
Ganda ng pagkagamit ng kontra-tempo. Jab step. Going hard to the basket.
8 seconds remaining. Racines gets fouled. .7 seconds after these 2 free throws. First one is a miss para dito kay Racines. So far, he's got 5. 4 seconds remaining. Naku, napaganda pa. Tadea sumablay. Parang nagulat din si Tadea na gano'n siya kalapit sa ring. Tapos nasa harap niya na mismo. And again, they can afford to make those mistakes as we take a look at our Chef's Magic third quarter highlights.
Once again, this quarter going in favor of Batangas. Another slow start for Muntinlupa. First 4.5 minutes, scoring single digits in this quarter. As Batangas wins the third 20-14.
60-43, a comfortable 17-point lead para dito sa Batangas. Tribu X Boss ay magbabalik po kami para sa ating 4th and final period. From tip-off to the final buzzer, every moment counts, and so does every meal. Whether you're celebrating a win or just enjoying the game, Chef's Magic Condiments brings the flavor that makes every bite unforgettable. Chef's Magic, make every meal a magic moment. Last quarter, last 10 minutes of action. Para dito sa ating Batangas kontra Muntinlupa, 16 under division. Charles Beichong, Justin Almeida, and Quinn Barcarce. You know, Justin, things are really looking good on the side of Batangas. But still, hindi pa tapos ang lahat para sa Muntinlupa. But they have to make something happen, and they have to do it right now.
Well, huwag na tayong lumayo, no? We saw it earlier in the previous game. These two cities sa 14 and under division. Pero dito naman, para sa Muntinlupa, if they can, you know, get a couple of stops, and you know, they are deadly in transition. If they can continue to do those things, baka kaya nilang gawing single-digit ball game muna. And then let's see where they go from there.
Di nakasagot doon ang Muntinlupa. Chance to make this one a 20-point advantage. Dylan Linga. And there's a foul underneath. Is it gonna be on Salvacion? Oh, it's on Justin Naag.
It's a bit surprising na di natin nakikita si Everine Cruz, no?
Oh,
This fourth quarter.
balik ang bola dito sa Muntinlupa. Freedom Okafor. Tik na maagaw sa kanya yung bola doon. Andre Bathan now to Justin Naag. Shot clock says 8.
The footwork of Naag there. Pinakitaan tayo ng pivoting skills.
Kaso itong si Dylan Linga, 4 na yung fouls. He has to be careful. Mukhang ilalabas muna siya dito ni Coach Erwin Apilo. That's what's happening right now. David Tadea, papalitan muna si Dylan Linga. Oh! Rejection.
See the anticipation of itong si Justin Naag. He wasn't going for the ball pero inabangan niya kung saan pupunta eh.
Dinikdik sa board.
Oo.
Salvacion in transition. Natapikan. Ball is loose. Oh my goodness! Another block. That was Lacaba. Hindi pala pwede yung mga ganong klaseng layup dito sa Muntinlupa. Batangas Tribu X Boss I wants to talk things over. 17-point advantage, 62-45, 7:36 remaining here in the fourth. 7:34. Everrain Cruz. 3 or short. David Tadea. Itong Muntinlupa, they are getting stops, Justin. It's just on the offensive side of things. Doon sila nagkakaproblema.
Able to convert, no, off of those defensive stops. Malayo-layo pa hahabulin nila dito. 17-point lead.
Tadea, binigay kay Charles Banuyag. Huli na naman yan. This time, may Max Lacaba. All is loose. Kanino mapupunta yan? Latayan. And Everrain Cruz commits that foul. Was that from beyond the arc?
Yeah, I believe so. It was a step back. Step back by si Paul Latayan. Three free throws nga.
Dalawa lang daw. Under 7 minutes. Ever Cruz. Salvacion. Much needed basket para dito sa panig ng Muntinlupa.
A nice pass as well from Everrain Cruz to the interior.
Sundot si Freedom Okafor. Destreza has it. Now it's Otalbo. Nothing there para kay Benzon. Latayan, sasablay pa din. Rebound Salvacion. Splitting the defense is Salvacion. Iniwan para kay Everrain Cruz. 4 straight points para dito kay Ever.
Medyo nabitawan yung bola no? Still ended up in the hands of Everrain Cruz.
With a pick, Justin Naag. Dove for that loose ball. Freedom Okafor goes right. The bump. The patience and the basket.
Lead is down to 12.
Parang napanood ko na to, Justin.
Tama nga, sinabi ni Coach Anton. Couple of stops, couple of baskets.
Could change the complexion of this ball game.
Ayoko verbatim baka
ayun.
Gaya-gaya
Okay lang naman sa kanya. Sabi naman niya pwede natin gamitin.
Quote mo lang.
Oh, basta ano lang natin. Sabihin lang natin na sa kanya galing. Meantime, Ever Cruz gets fouled by Destreza.
Less than 5 minutes remaining. Somehow, Muntinlupa has found a recipe to cut this lead down. Creating those turnovers. Nagiging turnovers resulting into quick transition points. See if they can continue their ways. Baba nila to a single-digit deficit.
Ever Cruz still holding that leading scorer para dito sa panig ng Muntinlupa at 13 points. Make that 14. Evercruz thought about it. He spins. Another spin, kaso nawala na yung bola sa kanya. In transition is Dylan Linga rather, kaso naipit sa binti niya yung bola.
This possession right here can cut it down to single digits. 11-point lead right now.
Bathan. There you go, Evercruz. Thought about it. He drives. The layup, it's in.
Make that 16 points para kay Everrain Cruz.
Four minutes remaining. Latayan, well read by Evercruz. 9 points na lang inahabol nila dito. Bathan puts it up. Bingo! Parang napanood na natin to. Hindi ba kakatapos lang nito, Justin?
Just to remind everyone, a few minutes ago, it was an 18-point lead by Batangas.
No lead is safe dito sa Junior MPBL. Bathan with a big shot. Timeout, Batangas. Oh, Max Lacaba, a steal, the drive, and the foul. A chance to cut this one to 4 points.
Ang bilis ng pangyayari.
I don't know how it happened. It just did.
Just a quick steal and that formula working wonders for Muntinlupa.
Eto na naman tayo sa ating Puyat Sports. The game or the play is under review. Parang may tinitignan pa ang ating referees. Ano nangyari doon? Not sure on our vantage point.
It's just a hard foul given to Lacaba.
Ayun. I'm not gonna be surprised if what I think I saw happens.
The referee seeing there might have been something a little excessive, kaya nila review yung play. But again, sa kanila ang final decision. So after reviewing, Charles Manuyag was called for an unsportsmanlike foul, giving Lakaba 2 free throws here. And possession will go to Muntinlupa.
Plus, Charles Manuyag will have to sit for 3 minutes ang makakabalik siya dito. 44 seconds na lang.
Saktong pang ano lang yan, hero ball.
Pwede hero ball pa. Meantime, Bathan has it. Racines, Bathan na naman. Can't get that one in. Ever Cruz nakawala. Sumobra yung tira.
The hustle by Racines.
Kanila pa din yung bola. Ever Cruz, the spin. The layup short, but there's a whistle.
Fascinated by that move na yung off the spin move, parang may extra pa na hakbang for you to get closer to the ring and lay it up. Ganda lang na tingnan.
Tsaka mahaba din kasi yung mga galamay nito ni Ever Cruz. Kapag ang layo rin nung nako-cover niya na space. Eto, 4 na puntos na lang, Justin. Stephen Nocum, he's been quiet. Tadea, swing. Wanted to go Stephen Nocum na agawan ni Ed Racines. Eto na naman tayo. Ed, bumitin, sumablay. Freedom Okafor. Oh my goodness!
Specialty of the house para kay Freedom Okafor once again. Offensive rebound and a step back.
Stephen Nocum extends the lead to 4 points, 67-63. Agaw na naman dito Batangas. Caparas, may counter steal itong si Cruz. Another counter steal. Ano ba talaga? Eto na, David Tadea. What a sequence we just saw, Justin.
And credit those back-to-back plays galing kay Dylan Linga. Forcing those, siya yung nakakuha ng steal and then sharing the basketball. The past 4 points, he was involved in all those plays.
Novales. Tadea, no. That's Caparas rather. Freedom Okafor. Naagawan. Nocum. Sasablay. Taken away by Lakaba. Ever Cruz in transition. Last 2 minutes of action. Agad namang pumuntos itong si Ever Cruz.
Hindi madaling tira yun, ha?
Ayon, traveling violation called on Novales.
Stopping on the dime after the bump and then pulling up for a semi-fadeaway. Ito si Everdeen Cruz.
Ed Racines. Going right, going left. No good. Rebound by Nocum. Dylan Linga. Oh! Another block coming from Justin Nag. Dylan Linga initially used that deceleration step. Ayun, no?
Oh.
Pero masyadong mataas lumipad. Ito si Justin Nag. Pag mga Justin ba talaga athletic?
Hindi. Tumatakbo na lang tayo, hindi na tayo tumatalon.
Linga bumawi. Dylan Linga extends the lead to 6. Hindi mo ba naamoy yun, Justin? Amoy barbecue. O naamoy? Maybe it's just me. 71-65, a minute and 28 seconds remaining here in this ball game. Timeout. Etong Muntinlupa. All right, less than 90 seconds remaining. 88 to be exact. 6-point ball game, 71-65. Racines, naghahanap ng papasahan. Okafor drives baseline. There's a foul. Hindi bibigyan ng continuation ng ating referees. Pero penalty na pala. Itong ating parehas na koponan.
So far, Muntinlupa has been struggling from the free throw line. Well, 52%.
Meantime, Stephen Nocom, no! Chance to cut this lead down 2 points or even 1. I guess you are seeing what I'm seeing, Justin.
Ngayon, may naaamoy na ako.
David Tadea, all they have to do is burn some time. Linga, 8 seconds remaining. To the cutting Tadea. 2 seconds remaining. A make or break situation here para sa Muntinlupa.
You have to give credit to Muntinlupa with a great stop there.
Batan, the drive, nowhere to go. Freedom Okafor gets fouled and he will head to the line for 2 free throws. Big free throws para dito kay Freedom Okafor. 14 points. Sabla yung una.
Ayoko pa nga batiin. Sasabihin ko sana, he was 2 for 2 from the free throw line in his previous trip.
Commentators jinx, no? Alam mo rin yun, ha?
Kaso, nag-mintis pa rin.
0 for 2 for Freedom. Costly misses from the free throw line. 25 seconds remaining. 15 on the shot clock para dito sa Batangas. They go Nocom. Leading scorer with 19 points. Agaw ni Evercruz. Tadea with a steal. Quick hands, quick feet from David Tadea, and he gets fouled by Evercruz. Now, pressure-packed free throws. This is for insurance. Pasok ang una para kay David Tadea. 9 points. Sabla yung pangalawa. Ball is live. Tadea grabs the offensive board. 5 seconds remaining. From the looks of it, we do not need an extra 5 minutes.
Muntinlupa, just too little, too late para sa kanila. They found that formula, recipe for success, kumbaga, dun sa, I believe, in the 6-minute mark of this ball game.
Actually, yung point production ng Batangas, dinoble netong Muntinlupa. 12 points lang ang na-score netong Batangas dito sa ating pang-apat na yugto. Habang itong Muntinlupa naman, 24 points. Yeah, just like what you said, maybe a little too late.
They did get it down to as low as 3 points, I think.
2.
2. Oh.
Congratulations! Batangas, Tribu X Boss Ay! At ang ating virtual series ng Batangas kontra Muntinlupa ay na 2-2-0 na ng Batangas. Panalo ang 14 and under division, panalo rin ang 16 and under division. Pero pag-usapan natin itong laro na to, Justin, no? It was not an easy game for these two teams. For Batangas, it was a tad bit easier, but that was not the story for Muntinlupa. They had to crawl their way up dito sa laro na to. And that is our final score, 5-point win para dito sa Batangas Tribu X Boss Ay, 74-69 kontra sa Muntinlupa JKL VRGG Infinite Basketball. Yung 3-point shooting, Justin, napakalaking factor niyan. 2 out of 10 para sa Muntinlupa, 1 out of 5 para sa Batangas.
Oh, so both teams not really finding a lot of success from the 3-point line. But nung first quarter, both teams just really coming out with guns blazing. Scoring 23 and 21. Pero pagdating ng second and third quarter, that's when Batangas started to find what was working for them, no? Getting a lot of stops on the defensive end, pero a lot of paint scoring for their squad.
And of course, ang ating Chef's Magic best player of the game, walang iba kung hindi si Stephen Nocom. The steadiest player on the floor dito sa laro na to, 19 points, 8 rebounds, 4 assists. And siya ang ating Chef's Magic best player of the game, kasama ni Quinn Barcarce.
I'm with Chef's Magic player of the game, Johan Nocom. Johan, second win para sa Batangas ngayong gabi. Gaano mo na-miss ang paglalaro sa Junior MPBL?
Siyempre, sobrang saya po dahil nakabalik kami ng mas malakas after nung last game namin ng pagkatalo.
Masaya ka ba, Johan?
Opo, sobrang.
Masaya naman. Hindi lang halata. Johan, kung meron kang gustong batiin, kumustahin, it's your time.
Nagpapasalamat po ako kay Lord dahil binigay sa amin yung pangatlong panalo na to, at sa tatay ko, sa nanay ko, at sa mga kapatid ko, sa De La Salle Lipa community, kay Miss Imes, kay Sir Jerex, and yun lang po.
Yon, congratulations to you and sa Team Batangas. Maya-maya lamang po ay makikilala natin ang Hustle Club Defensive Player of the Game at Don Benitez Assistman of the Game. Back to you, gentlemen.
Thank you so much, Quinn. Congratulations, Stephen Nocom. At itong ating ito, ang Hustle Club Defensive Player of the Game, Everrain Cruz, single-handedly carrying his team. 6 rebounds, 5 steals, and a couple of blocks for this young man. At ang ating Don Benitos, assist man of the game, Dylan Linga, itong running mate ni Stephen Johan Nocom. Siya ang ating Don Benitos, assist man of the game. We still have one more to go. You are seeing the pattern, Justin. Parang ang Batangas masisweep etong araw na to. Pero malamang hindi papayag ang Muntinlupa dyan. Coming up, it's still Muntinlupa kontra Batangas. 18 and under division naman. Magbabalik po ang Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Season 3 ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Chef's Magic game highlights coming your way.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga, nagkakaisa, nagmamahal. Liga ng